Good morning, my dear friends. This morning we got a message from Archangel Raphael, and he says there is something better waiting for you. The ways in which you have evolved have you convinced that there must be more to your life, and there is. The inward search for answers is rewarded at this time. It's time to leave the past behind and embrace a brand new you. The choice is not forced upon but it is of your own making. Your past experiences have been very important in helping you understand who you are. Be grateful for what you've learned and build upon it. A relocation or change in your job or relationships is quite possible at this time. Something very good is about to happen to you. It's wealth coming our way in the form of health. Health is wealth, financial help, but it's coming in fast and it's going to stop the negative energy of depression and anxiety and those kind of things. You're going to start seeing very clearly that you are connected to the divine love all around you, within everything around you. You starting your brand new journey, and you can see the happiness and bright prospects it can give you. You starting to realize that you had great worry over nothing, and that your magical abilities are growing. You have successfully overcome a lot of things, and something is going to happen for you today that's going to bring you joy and success. And they say it's going to bring you a change for the better. You are surrounded by the angels and spirit guides. It's like a bubble of protection, of love around you. And your loved ones want you to know you spiritually connected to everyone and everything through God, the Creator. Use your sacred bond to heal your family, friends, and yourself. Have a lovely day, everybody.